Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please watch my videos. If you like my video, share and subscribe my channel. So today I am going to teach you articles. Here there are three articles A and the. The articles A and are indefinite articles. The is definite article. Okay. So there are three articles. Article A and the. Article A and are called as indefinite articles. The is definite article. So here we discuss the uses of A. Means when should we use article A? Here we use the article A before a consonant pronunciation singular word. Okay. So the article A is used before a consonant pronunciation singular word. For example, here book. This is the word. Here the starting letter is B. Consonant letter B. So this is in singular. Big, a book. So we use the article a book. Next, for example, a table. A table. Here T is the consonant letter. It gives the consonant pronunciation table. So this is in singular form. So a table. Okay. So before a consonant pronunciation singular word. For example, a book and a table. Here in the second case, we use the article A before ya pronunciation word. Ya pronunciation word. For example, university. University. Here the starting letter is U. The starting letter is U, vowel letter, but it gives the pronunciation of ya. It gives the pronunciation of ya. So a university. A university. And a union leader. A union leader. A union leader. Here U. Again the letter is vowel letter, but it gives the pronunciation of ya. Union. So the letter is U, vowel letter, but it gives the pronunciation of ya. So in this case we use the article a university, a union leader, a eucalyptus tree. For example, a eucalyptus tree. Eucalyptus tree. Here the letter is vowel letter E, but it gives the pronunciation of ya, a eucalyptus tree. Next, in the third case, we use the article A. That indefinite article A is used before va pronunciation word. Va pronunciation word. For example, a 1 rupee note. A 1 rupee note. Here, the starting letter is O, vowel letter, but it gives the pronunciation of va. A 1 rupee note. A one-eyed beggar. A one-eyed beggar. A one-eyed beggar. Okay. So letter is O letter, vowel letter, but the pronunciation is va. So before the va pronunciation word, we use the article A. Before the ya pronunciation word, we use the article A. And before the consonant pronunciation singular words, we use the article A. Okay. So here before a consonant pronunciation singular word, for example, a book, a table. And in the second case, before ya pronunciation words. For example, a university. Here, university is a word which begin with vowel letter U, but it gives the pronunciation of ya. So ya is the consonant pronunciation. That is why here we use article A before the word university and a union leader. Next, before va pronunciation word, for example, a 1 rupee note, a one-eyed beggar, a one-way traffic. Next, here we discuss the uses of an. Uses of an. So uses of an. Uses of an. So the article an is used before vowel pronunciation singular word. Vowel pronunciation singular word. Vowel pronunciation, singular word. It is used before vowel pronunciation, singular word. For example, orange. Orange. O is vowel letter and it gives the pronunciation of O. So an orange. Ox. The letter is O, vowel letter, and it gives the pronunciation of O. So an ox. Iron. Iron. The letter is I, vowel letter, and it gives the pronunciation of iron. I, vowel pronunciation. I. So an iron. An icon. An icon. An ice cream. An ice cream. Okay, so these are the examples. We use the article an. So the article an is used. It is used before vowel pronunciation singular word. For example, an orange, an ox, an iron, an icon, an ice cream. Next, in the second case, it is used. It is used before silent H letter words. Silent H letter, silent H letter words, silent H letter words. Okay, the article an, the indefinite article an is used before silent H letter words. For example, our. Here H is silent, the immediate second letter is vowel letter and it gives the pronunciation of vowel A. So our, an hour, an honorable, an honor. Honor. H is silent. The immediate second letter is vowel letter and it gives the pronunciation of A. An honor. An heir. H-E-I-R. H is silent letter and the immediate second letter is vowel letter and it gives the pronunciation of vowel. So an heir. Okay, these are the examples which we use the article an before silent H letter words. Next, third case, it is used before the abbreviations, which is used before the abbreviations which gives vowel pronunciation. Okay, so it is used, the article an is used before the abbreviations which gives vowel pronunciation. For example, MLA. Okay, here this is the abbreviation form MLA. So before MLA, here M, starting letter is M and it gives the pronunciation of A, vowel pronunciation. So an MLA, an MP, an MBBS doctor, an MBBS doctor, an X-ray report, Here the starting letter is X. It gives the pronunciation of A, an X-ray report, an MA degree, Okay, these are the uses of article an. So the article, indefinite article an is used before the vowel pronunciation singular words. For example, an orange, an ox, an iron, an icon, an ice cream, and article an is used before the silent H letter words. For example, an hour, an honor, an heir. Next, third condition, it is used before the abbreviations which gives the vowel pronunciation. For example, an MLA. So MLA, it is an abbreviation. It gives the pronunciation of A, MLA. Okay, we pronounce as MLA, A. So the starting pronunciation is vowel pronunciation, that is A pronunciation. So an MLA, an MP, an MBBS doctor. Okay, so these are the uses of an. Now we will discuss the uses of definite article the. Now the uses of definite article the. When should we use the article the? Okay, let us discuss the uses of definite article the. So uses of the definite article the. Uses of the. So first, before the unique objects, unique objects. So the article the is used before the unique objects. For example, the moon, the earth, the sun, the sky. Okay, right. Next, names of the before the names of the sacred books, before the names of the sacred books, for example, the Bhagavad Gita, the Bible, the Quran. Okay, next, before the degrees of before the degrees of superlatives, before the degrees of superlatives, for example, the greatest, the highest, the biggest, the smallest, the most beautiful, the most handsome. Okay, before the degrees of superlatives. Next, before the names of the directions, before the names of the directions, for example, the east, the west, the north, the south. Okay, next, before the before the names of the before the names of the rivers, names of the rivers, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Godavari, the Nailu. Okay, before the names of the rivers and oceans, the Hindu Ocean, the Antarctic Ocean, oceans, and deserts. For example, the Sahara Desert, the Thar Desert, desert, and names of the mountain ranges, mountain ranges, names of the mountain ranges, names of the rivers, names of the oceans, names of the deserts, and names of the newspapers, names of the newspapers, the Enadu, the Dakkan Chronicle, the Hindu, names of the newspapers, names of the trains, names of the hotels, names of the public buildings, names of the public buildings, the parliament, for example, the parliament, public buildings, names of the public buildings. Okay, so and before the names of the rivers, oceans, deserts, mountain ranges, newspapers, trains, hotels, public buildings, and musical instruments, before the names of the musical instruments, before the names of the musical instruments, for example, the drum, the violin, the veena. Okay, so all these are the uses of the article the. So the article, the definite article the is used before the unique objects. Unique objects means, the word unique means special. For example, the moon, the earth, the sun, the sky, and before the names of the sacred books, before the names of the degrees of superlatives, before the names of the directions, before the names of the rivers, oceans, deserts, mountain ranges, newspapers, trains, hotels, public buildings, and musical instruments. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Thank you.